Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm leaving off. This is day when I was with my cousin, I was on Saturday afternoon, and right now my uncle's gonna come and help me because if you watch the beginning, me and my cousin didn't know how to do it, and I knew that was gonna happen, that I was gonna lock up like that, but I really don't get that much help from people. So when he offered to help me, I took it. So, and we kind of got the tool stuck in there. I had to go buy another one. I got everything ready. We took it off already. The new pump's in here. I had to go buy this tool at O'Reilly's. It's a 5/8 inch. It's the one that's supposed to put my pulley back on the new that pulley on the new power steering pump. And this is what happened to the old one, because I knew that there was a certain way the wrenches go. This is the tool that got stuck. I think we cross-threaded it too much in there because we were going the wrong way. So now it's kind of impossible to stick a wrench in there and take it off. And then there's nowhere to hold it because it spins. This is smooth and there's no way to grip it. And you guys saw in the beginning, we were trying to put it in the vice grip and it was just slipping in my cousin's grandpa's house. I bought that one. Hopefully it puts the pulley on the new one. And my uncle's coming right now. I'm gonna see if he can he said he was gonna bring he had his own puller set, so he's gonna bring that, and we're gonna see if it works. These are the old bolts. We took off the bracket and everything, and if I wanted to, I could drive this truck without a power steering pump. It didn't need it. It just needs that and the alternator, and that's it. It should be really, really, really heavy to steer out of the way of something. It's really hard. And right now I'm just gonna clean up this bracket because it's really oiled, and take off all this dirt that's in there right now. And let's get everything ready because my uncle's coming right now, so I'm waiting for him. I'm just gonna get a simple screwdriver and just scrape, kind of scratching up this goes in the back. It actually sits in there like that, so no one's gonna see the scratches. And I actually wanted to paint it again with Rust-Oleum, real nice, sanded and painted, but look how it has a little emblem of Ford. This is a real Ford part. Oh, this dirt. I'm thinking this is old power steering fluid. So I'm gonna do this right now, guys. I'll give you a little time lapse.
Hello? Yeah, I just walked in. Yeah, okay. You still working? Tonight, right now? Did I go out? Yeah, I went out. I took a couple of clubs. And then I went to bed. Why or what? Did you say something about a cold drink? I don't know. I'm going.
My uncle's here, guys, but I'll record us putting it on and everything. Alright, guys, we're trying to get the pulley on the power steering pump right now. And right now we're putting the pulley on the new power steering pump. Yo, come on. Damn. $21mm. Yeah, 21mm. Yeah, you see we're doing it like that? Which way you're supposed to go?
Oh, this is bigger.
Oh shit. How big is that one? Fits most power steering pumps with 3 8-inch 16 thread. Oh, how shit, it counts the threads and everything. Maybe bottoms out over here in the back. No, alright, it's not supposed to. Oh, did it work? Holy shit. How far do we go in more? No, that's scary now. We got it in there, guys, but interesting. I can still see shiny chrome. Still see shiny chrome. Still see shiny chrome. It actually hasn't even gotten smaller. It's a good puller or what? How does that fucking work? It's a press. It presses it on there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's just send it. If it blows up, it blows up. Will it blow up anything else? My motor? Wait, nah. What could happen though? I'll mess up this $35 pump.
The radiator?
Oh man, that's true. That's expensive right there. Those are at least $180 for that. We already put it on there, guys. It's the same thing as taking it off. I didn't film it because it's the same thing. It's already on there. Now we're just gonna put the fluid, turn it on, test drive it. Apparently, guys, it's supposed to take some kind of bolt right here because we have it installed and everything, and it's supposed to take some kind of bolt right here. You guys can leave some comments to find out. Tell me what size it is, or tell me if it takes one. My uncle says it does take one, so you can hold a pulley in there because we pressed it on there, but it was sliding off. I don't know. And we tested it. I would show you guys, but it's gonna come off, and I don't want to mess up stuff, so I'm not gonna even turn it on. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.